COVID-19 is altering the way many veterans events are being held this year. Our own Jesse Irwin is at the Pitt State Veterans Memorial this morning, where the annual Veterans Day program is preparing to kick off. He joins us live with a preview. Jesse?
Good morning, Tanya. Yeah, we are here at the Veterans Memorial. It is beautiful as the sun is coming up here. And, I want to talk to you quickly about what's happening this morning at 11 a.m. It's going to be virtual in terms of how PSU celebrates and honors veterans today on Veterans Day. But here's how it's going to look. It's actually going to be really cool. They have a special that they've put together where they're going to be highlighting different veterans from different wars and military branches. You can catch all of it online in a number of different ways. You can see it on your screen at pittstate.tv, on YouTube, the PSU Veterans Memorial Facebook page, or if you're able to get one of the college's channels, CAPS 13, you can check it out there as well. And this morning we're actually fortunate enough to be joined by Captain Eric Leon, who's with the ROTC unit here at PSU, and you and I were talking earlier about what it takes to be in the military. Sure. So when you walk down this wall, right, this is a replica of the Vietnam Memorial.
Correct, yeah.
I mean, you see so many names. Like these names, what does it mean to you to be able to walk down and see names of people who were just as devoted as you were?
First, I want to speak on the memorial itself.
Yeah.
Just it being here in Pittsburgh, Kansas. I've been around the world, including the United States. It's kind of hard to, how do you say, when it comes to the actual memorial, it'd be hard to find this somewhere anywhere else besides Washington, D.C. It's fantastic. For the names itself, it really just speaks to all the individuals that have come before me, served before me, and just continue on that tradition of serving this nation.
Do you find it really motivating to be able to bring your new recruits out here and show them a place like this and say, this is what it means?
I've actually done that more than once. My classes are right here at the rec center, so
Yeah.
I've actually brought them out here so that they can reflect on what it is to serve. And, when they're going to find themselves in a couple of years actually serving either the United States or, overseas. So I'm glad this is here.
It's a really special place. We really appreciate you joining us here
Thank
this
you.
morning and talking to us about this. We're going to be here all morning long, and there's a lot of really cool features and facts about this memorial that you might not know. So on Fox 14 at 7 o'clock, we're going to actually be hanging out with some folks who are very much involved in making sure this place is as beautiful as it is right now all year round. So we'll have that over on Fox 14. We'll toss it back to you, Tanya.
All right, thanks, Jesse. We'll be checking back up with you a little bit later in the show.